The sensory area is located on the projective area of the scalp, corresponding to the post-central gyrus of the frontal lobe. The sensory area is one of the most commonly used in Chinese scalp acupuncture. It is located parallel to the motor area, 1.5 centimeter posterior to the motor area. The sensory area of the cerebral cortex controls and adjusts sensation in the opposite sides of the body. One side of the cerebral cortex controls contralateral sensation of the body in the level below the neck. One exception is that most of the sensation of the head and face are bilateral. The sensory gyrus, like the motor gyrus, is also distributed as an upside down human body image. That means the upper part of the gyrus controls the lower limb, the middle part dominates the upper limb, and the lower part controls head and face movements. Scalp acupuncture produces excellent results for pain, numbness, and tingling. Many patients show significant improvement during initial treatment. Scalp acupuncture results in much quicker effect compared to other modalities of acupuncture, such as in the ear, hand, or body. Some patients felt improvement just a few seconds or a few minutes after their scalps were needled. Indications to apply scalp acupuncture to the sensory area are abnormal sensations of face, trunk, and limbs that are either hyposensitive or hypersensitive, including pain, tingling, numbness, and loss of sensation in contralateral side of the body. The following disorders have shown positive results when treated by scalp acupuncture: loss of sensation or pain from stroke and traumatic injury, numbness and tingling from multiple sclerosis, phantom pain, complex regional pain, residual limb pain, trigeminal neuralgia, temporomandibular joint dysfunction, migraine headache, cluster headache, shingles, pain in the neck, shoulder, back and lower back sciatica, gout, plantar fasciitis, fibromyalgia, neuropathy, and paresthesia in general. Abnormal sensation of an extremity are treated by choosing the opposite side of the sensory area in the scalp. For instance, if a patient has pain in the right leg and foot, the left side of the sensory area in the scalp should be needled. However, for patients having brain surgery and an injury where part of brain was removed, needle should be placed on the same side of the scalp as the affected limb. For example, a patient with numbness in the left leg and foot would be treated with needles on the left side of the scalp sensory area.